Today is gonna be a fun little video just because I've never done this before, but I'm getting my and I believe at my friend's company. I've known her since middle school, so her company's called Lalalash. I'm with Leslie and we're gonna head over. They're having like a little event going on today. It's like a bundle set of like some services, so we're gonna head over there, check the space out. But I'm so excited, and I'm excited to see what my face looks like after. Are you ready, Leslie?
Yeah.
Ah, let's go. What am I getting?
You're getting a lift, a tint, and a brow
Okay.
lamination.
Oh, that sounds good. Say hi. Okay, so funny story. This is my sister's childhood friend. Like, what did you say? Yeah, this is my sister's childhood friend, like best friend. And she's doing this, my face. We'll see what it looks like after. Okay, so I just got done with my eyelashes and my eyebrows, and I absolutely love it. I want to say a big thank you to my friend Stephanie. I'm so proud of her.
Thank you.
And everything she's built here. So if you're in the Jacksonville, Florida area, be sure to check her out to get all your beauty
Lashes,
services.
brows,
Yeah.
facials, teeth whitening, permanent makeup, all of it.
Wait, permanent makeup?
Yeah.
Okay guys, I might have to be back, okay? Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope the results are pretty. I think they're gorgeous, just FYI. Let me know what you think, and until next time, peace.